Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Dodge Nitro and I will show you how you can try to recharge the AC, the air conditioner by yourself. This video will apply to Dodge Nitros made from 2007 all the way up to 2012. To be able to recharge the AC by yourself, first you will have to buy the AC recharge kit. Now this is the kit. It contains the AC recharge hose, which has two connectors. This one will connect to low pressure AC charging port on your vehicle, and other side will connect to this AC refrigerant can. In the kit you will usually also get two cans, which should be enough for one, maybe even two vehicles, depending on how low is the refrigerant in your system. You can buy these AC recharge kits at any car parts store, even online on Amazon, eBay, even Walmart should have it. The price for it is usually around $50. If you find one on sale, you can get it for as cheap as $30. And the good thing is, once you have this hose, all you have to buy for additional rechargers or other vehicles are these cans. And each of these cans costs around $5-6. So you can pretty much have your AC recharged for $10 each summer. Now, some people will say this is not the right way to recharge your AC. You have to take it to a mechanical shop, which will cost you at least $150 or more. And yes, they do have the professional equipment. They will do the better job, but still, if you're driving older, cheaper vehicle, you can do it by yourself without any problems or risks. I own a small car dealership and I recharge ACs on every one of my vehicles this way every summer and never had any kind of issues. The most important thing is you just have to be careful not to overfill it, but that's why you have this. But I will say this is just the educational video in which one I'm showing how to do it if you decide to give it a try. Okay, now to start, first thing you want to do, you want to screw this can onto the hose connector. So screw it all the way and have it quite tight. Now, one thing to mention, do not screw in this screw until you have connected the other side to the vehicle low pressure charging port, because this screw will pierce the can. And you want to pierce the can once everything is connected. Okay, now this is what you want to get. And now the next thing to do, you want to locate the low pressure charging port, which is very easy accessible on Dodge Nitro. It's right here, so you want to remove this black cap. Okay. And I will zoom in. This is how the low pressure charging port looks like. And now you can connect the other side of this hose to this low pressure charging port. You will do that by moving this sleeve up and just connecting it. You see, this sleeve moves and then locks it in place. Okay, just like that. And once all this is connected, now you can pierce the can by screwing this screw all the way in. So I'm trying to work with one hand here. So I want to screw it in all the way. And once that is done, then you can start the vehicle and I will show you how you can charge your AC system. So this is how everything will look like before you start charging the system, and you always want to hold this can upside down. Now start your Dodge Nitro, and what you want to do next, you want to turn the blower to the highest setting. You want to cold air, you want to turn the AC on, and you want the air circulation inside the cabin. So this is what you want to do, and leave it like that and proceed outside. Okay, I hope you can hear me because the engine is quite loud. Now to start charging the AC, you want to hold the can upside down and slowly start releasing this screw counterclockwise. This doesn't have to be done fast, just take your time and slowly do it. And while doing it, make sure to monitor the AC in the system. So when you are maybe halfway done with the can, I always like to take a break, go inside and see if I can feel any difference. So like I said, you just want to proceed inside the car and try to feel if that AC is blowing any cooler. That means it's working. In my case, yes, it is. I can feel the results. Now I will definitely have to empty that complete can, and then I will see how it is, but I'm pretty sure that I will have to use only one can. In your case, it really depends how much refrigerant is left in your system. You might need to use only half a can, maybe a full can, or maybe even 2 cans. That's why you have to monitor how much refrigerant you have in the system. So now just proceed and completely empty that can into the system. That's pretty much it. That's all you have to do, and this is how you can recharge the AC by yourself. Okay, now before disconnecting that AC recharge hose, make sure to turn off the vehicle. And first thing to do, you always first want to again screw this knob, this screw all the way in, because if there is any refrigerant left inside the can, it's not gonna get out when you disconnect the low pressure charging port. So just screw it all the way in, and now you can safely disconnect the port, just like this. Now if there is any refrigerant left in this can, you can always leave it like this and reuse it on any other vehicle, or reuse it next summer, or whatever you want to do. Once you unscrew this can, everything that's inside the can will just go out. So that's why I said you can screw it in, that way you can save any coolant that's left. Now in case you need to add one more can, that's again quite simple. You just have to follow everything like I showed you on the beginning of this video. So remove this can, unscrew this knob, this screw, then you will put this new can on, you will connect the low pressure charging port, and then you will pierce this new can, start the vehicle and start charging the AC, and that's pretty much everything. One more thing I will mention. Now this will charge your AC without any problems, but if you have any leaks in the system, all the refrigerant you put into the system will just leak out. If you have small leaks, there is a special thing called AC refrigerant stop leak, which you can charge the same way like I showed you in this video, and that will seal most of the small leaks, and that may give you a few months of blowing cold air. Now if you have a bigger leak, unfortunately you will have to take the vehicle to the mechanical shop. Like I said, they have the professional equipment. They can use the dye, they can use their diagnostics, and they will find exactly where is the leak and which part of the system has to be replaced. Same thing goes if your air compressor is not working. Unfortunately, charging the AC will not do anything. Now this is for the systems that maybe have small leaks that just over the months lose a bit of refrigerant, and then you can just top it up or something like that. Or in case you are doing some mechanical work, for example replacing the radiator, and then you'll have to refill the AC, you can do it this way. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.